Don't this just look freaking eerie? Wow. Welcome to International Paper. This place stinks like sulfur. Look up there.
In 1/4 mile, turn right, then turn left.
You know how in coal mines and such they would have canaries in a cage to detect if any poisonous gases? Well, in the trucking world, our canary in a cage for poisonous gases happens to be Miss Daisy. Okay. She says, yeah, Daddy, I don't like the smell of that shit. Close up the window, would ya?
Turn right, then turn left.
Ooh, it's stinking. It's stinking. Look how tight some of this shit is. Look at that. Look at that. That's a truck back in there. Flatbed truck. Crazy, huh? And wood chips go up in that thing and get pulverized into pulp. Or maybe it's vice versa. Maybe they go up over here and get pulverized, and then maybe, I don't know. All I know is it comes in as wood chips and leaves this big old massive 10,000, 12,000 pound rolls of paper. Put it this way, I'm hauling 40,000 pounds, right under it, about 39 something, and I only got 4 rolls of paper. So yeah, look at all this, massive, massive, absolutely massive. There's where the wood chips go up those things. And I'm about to show you the wood chips. Okay, here's the wood chips. See them there? Look at those big old things. That's all wood chips. Logs come in, they grind them up. They grind them up in that building back there, goes up the chute, and those chutes, you can see it down there, those things shooting out over the top, they're actually on railroad rails. They go up and down to fill it up, to keep it all level. You see how it's all level right there? Got a little bit of dip right there, but it's all level. And at the base, you can see a green railroad trail. And you see right here, it starts to dip down. That's where they're working on filling.
In 1/4 mile, turn right.
And if you look real hard at the top there where the rail is, where that metal is, you can see smoke coming off of it. Yeah. Pretty freaking big, stinking place. All right now,